As you know, we expect the higher the stock, the landfall. We see the like.
Road is not yet finished working on this one.
Well, that one, I really start affect my little one room yet still, you know.
Okay, the back down thing.
Yeah, man, back
Back.
down.
Well,
Yes, but I go over here, I think them are rapping, you know, so I have to go with tie down and me stop up, you know.
yeah, guys, so that's the sea out there. And all of this is gonna be underwater. Yeah, and there are people living along the line going all the way up. And going all the way down here also. All of this will be underwater. I know. Yeah guys, so this is the way the sea is looking here. If you haven't yet subscribed guys, please subscribe as I'll be showing you footage all throughout this storm as much as I can. It's really strong. What it look like?
Well, it's serious, huh?
Serious.
Serious.
This thing coming in now, people need to take it serious now.
This is the way they say come in.
Yeah.
What I tell you.
Yeah, these waves are coming in.
Matches when it took off over and license when we live
Yeah.
other places. Go on the pen. First serious hurricane.
How prepared are you for the hurricane?
Well, actually, back down, I'm on the boat right now.
Yeah.
Still, but I'm going to come shortly. So relax at home.
Yeah.
At the state. You know?
Right, it makes no sense. We are telling people to abide by the rules and we not abide by them. You know?
Well, actually, we don't squeeze out the compress on covering.
We are trying. Yeah, we are trying to give them as much as we can give them during the storm, but you know, once it comes, we have to stay inside.
Right.
Yeah, pizza. So it look. Yeah, guys. So. Yeah, that's a Clarity Flex peeps, me never tell you no. Clarity Flex Jamaica, go over YouTube and subscribe. And if you're looking at the foreground or the background, oh, subscribe to Eastside Media too. In there somewhere about the place, me not see, but in there. Alright, so we're moving along. So as I say, stay tuned guys, we are showing up all how we can.
Remember, this is done by Blue Mawo.
This is
Mawo,
Prospect Eastern St. Thomas.
Yes.
Alright. Yeah guys, and just remember, this is the before, there will be the aftermath. Alright, the after effects of Hurricane Melissa, which has now become a Category 5 hurricane. One of the most powerful hurricanes Jamaica will ever see if this thing hits directly. And remember, this is the 37-year curse. Alright, the 37-year hurricane cycle. This one is gonna be serious guys, so please take heed. Evacuate if you have to. Go on the buses, don't say I stay home to protect this and protect that. It must not go work, you know. Possessions will, you can get back your possessions, or maybe you will be able to recoup what you can when you get back home. Alright, so take the precautions guys, don't stay and say you not go. Yeah, because this thing is gonna be coming, this thing will hit. Blessed. So this is water that has already, you notice that the water how far the sea this come from, you know? This is sea water that has already come over here, and you notice where the trash wash from. So guys, just be prepared. We are move on to somewhere else. So that light a blink, JPS needs to do something about them like that. On the road heading to Port Morant. See, it's not really rough, but as you can see, it's getting there. Yeah guys, this is in Port Morant. As you notice, the water is taking over the road already. The road is not yet finished working on, so therefore the water is taking over. Guys, this is a drain that was built the other day, but you see it hasn't been finished, so the water has nowhere to go. So then you find this happen. That's water on the road. And over here, the drain supposed to run under the road, as you notice. Come over here. Water supposed to be coming down here under here, but it's not running out. So therefore we end up with this water on the road. So the town of Port Morant, guys, really need proper drainage, or them need to hurry up and complete this thing after the storm, so that this don't happen again, because the rainy season is still not finished. It lasts until November. And if you all notice, over the past decade, normally the rainy season should be from June till November. However, now we're having the rainy season start in June with no rain. The rain starts in August, and the rain season basically done in February. And that's what I've been noticing. Even in countries where they get snow, it's the same thing happening. They start to get snow in those months. I think it's climate change. I think it's just the warming up of the earth. I'm not really sure which of those caused that to happen, but that's what's been happening. So yeah, we're in a Port Morant, St. Thomas, and this is the way how St. Thomas look before the entry of Hurricane Melissa. Alright, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so we are in Port Morant, and right now I'm on the main road down below the Port Morant police station, which is up here. And if you all notice this, we may have some landslide right here. If you notice. Because looking at this, it seems as if we had landslide here before, and it's very close to the road. So this would actually cause a problem if there's a landslide here. From this side. As you notice, we already have rocks rolling down the road. So yeah, we may have some landslide right here, and the Port Morant police station is up on that here. Alright, so yeah, we're in Port Morant guys, moving on. I've got a tree right there which I think it'll come down if the rain gets strong enough. Yeah guys, so we are still in Port Morant. I just want to show you all the sea over there. And doesn't one know about Ace's nightclub, King Yellowman, Sturgav? That's the club right there. I'll show you that when I get back. I'm just gonna take a look at the sea over here to see what's happening. That's the back of the club, the Aces nightclub. This is the sea out here. The sea is not really rough at the moment. The wind is getting a bit more stronger. We're now starting to feel some storm force winds, but not really heavy. So yeah, that's a going out there. So. Let me show you all the club now. Anybody where know about Aces nightclub, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright. So this is the club right here. Aces nightclub. Here to the risk of landslide all along here. Right, you know, so a whole heap of landslide we get around them side here. You know? Yeah, blessings.
Bless.
Yeah, what are your name?
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
So right, may I ask you like how prepared are you for the storm?
Yes, right now I graduate and I put up sandbar and some family.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you stay with like you getting your supplies and all of that.
Yeah man. Because we know say we have to prepare, you know. We can't take we guard.
True. And what you say to them people who say them not evacuate from places where they need to evacuate? Some people still take it for a joke, you know?
Well, all them have to do is listen to the bulletin every time, you know. So you know what I go. You can't listen to a man on the street and the man will drink and attack.
No, you have to listen to
You
the
have to
bulletins.
obey what I go, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, see, because it made up on that.
Blessed family.
Yeah.
Good thing that for the weather.
Who down how you? Hospital. Who down there?
Yes, and you know, but in days now it has come and it's a delay. So you know, that's what we are doing. We are trying to make everybody good and that. So, you know, that is it. You know.
Storm will move very slow.
Continue, you know. Yeah.
And because it moves slow, stay in one place for a while. So we have to make sure we're very prepared. You know?
So we have to do a thing and we say everything all right. We have to put those neighbors and friends and whatever, you know. Tie down roof and all those things, you know.
True.
Yeah.
So you've been preparing. And you
We get
prepare.
to one, you know, so we have to take it.
Alright. A lot of people now take it. A lot of people now take it serious same way.
Yeah.
You know? But this one will be serious.
So we there help out the community as family and friends.
That me realize.
Anyway,
Yeah man, I say the thing I work.
oneness.
Yeah man, good afternoon.
Yeah, what are your name?
Clear Norton still.
Clear
you know.
Norton. Oh, you understand, man?
Well, it a go on, you know, it not really start affect my little one room yet still, you know.
Okay, you button down and thing?
Yeah man, batten down.
Prepared with food and all of that?
Yeah man, a little food in that thing yet too again, you know, we'll pick up on our spot, you know.
Okay. One question. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, but one Christ to give you a little help towards them thing, because I'm the blessed one, you know. With us
True.
holding hand out for
True.
way upon way, you know.
True.
We can't take no more of this.
How burial did affect you last year?
Well, it shake me away, you know, because I look off my rooftop.
So you prepare for this in other way there? Because this have a rough enough.
I prepare one little way, man. For just come out of where me in if anything, you know.
Okay, I understand.
My house top on a reel, you know, slab and a zinc, so I plan to run out. The rest of it a concrete, but,
Yeah.
you know.
And you live alone or you have
My
company?
brother live next door. My baby mother live there, but she leave. She gone somewhere else, you know.
Okay. Yeah, nobody where you want big up?
The whole world.
The whole world.
The whole world, man.
Alright.
Big up and stay safe and you to rough cut to tell you that, you know.
Blessings, man.
Real rough cut this, not true, no see me simple, so you know. Not for hurt people, you know, but rough cut. Yeah, man. Just pick up on yourself and save up on yourself.
The great fisherman.
Fisherman, alright.
yeah.
And me I do that about 20 a day.
And your boat secure and them thing there?
Nah, man, I don't own a boat.
Okay.
I swim out thing, man.
Oh, true.
Shoot fish and come sell to people.
Oh, man, understand. Just be
Yeah,
safe
man.
in the weather, you can see
Yeah,
how the
man.
breeze are build up on them thing there, you know,
Me
man.
I try to safe, man. I want up in a nation.
One up.
Yeah, man. Nation.
Bless.
Yeah, man. Yes, sire. Cool, yeah.
How by the road?
What the your name?
Pope Marant, you know? Yeah, man. Travis Blame, you know?
Travis. How the storm affect you so far? I
Well,
didn't reach it.
yes, but I go over here, I think them a rock, you know, so I have to do me tie down and me strap up, you know?
And you button down extra than how you do it for burial, right?
Yeah, man.
Because this is really
It's
strong, you know.
serious, you know? All I want to take it serious, better take it serious. Cause
I
I
tell them
joke
from
thing.
yesterday, so they need to take it serious.
You see me? No joke thing. I feel I make sure I go them free up and get something to eat and then something. All the chicken them we have in the cook, we have to kill them and make sure they're there in the fridge.
True.
You see me?
And
That's
how you plan to deal with the situation if we don't get back electricity quick?
Well, you know, our lamp we have to go use do it until we gas done, we just go out with coal if it comes to the test car. Maybe bury now and left, you know.
True.
You buried, Melissa.
You live alone or you live with family, like kids?
Well, sure we there at the house right now still, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Just have to
Family
keep
setting,
everybody
you see
safe,
me.
pray for y'all, is it?
Yeah, remember that the next door, make sure everything level.
True.
And bridging the cross the free. So
True.
if the top blow off, a two options we have.
Two options.
So
We
or
just-
so, you know.
We all have to help each
You
other.
understand? That's how we live up as a man.
For real.
So what you have to say to the people them out there now?
Well, what me have to say to all people around the island, we have to say we just take it serious and use precaution level and just do what we have to do. Anything we have to do, if I'm planting or banana, they know where you can cut it for early, you cut it because you don't know.
True.
Real.
Put up food and them things and make
Yeah,
sure
man.
prepare have a little backpack just in case you have to
Yeah,
move
man,
something.
anything or anything, because you know everybody not have it, you know, and everybody have it like that, you see me.
But still, who can prepare
Just do what
physically
you can do and who can help, that's how it go.
and who can prepare physically and financially, then can prepare mentally.
Same way, so.
Prepare for the storm.
Stay safe with the family, protect that you're the barber, Portman, so we don't know things that are
Yeah, man.
You go for self.
But at
Okay,
least
so
we
this
can
man
up
at the
on
barber.
the top of the hill still, so we don't think we ever get the flood out, but maybe we get the blow off or the water. Yeah, that's that.
True. Hey, are you a cook? I smell somebody a cook something.
Yeah, man. And some curry chicken I do it, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Peeps, when I watch a video, I wish you could have smelled the
Yeah,
curry
we
chicken.
have to cook it at meat.
Yes, man.
Extra food.
It a
Well,
tail
if I
of
pass
moose.
by, I pass on
Yeah,
the share
pass
plate.
by.
Yes, man.
Maybe you already at fear time yet, you know. Yes. No problem, man.
Yeah, man,
No
we are
problem.
pass by. We are bring the whole of YouTube with us, so make sure you have all the food, you know. Everybody will watch we are bring it, you know.
Curry chicken nice like that with
A dumpling, though?
Don't know. No, a rice I do it. A quick something.
Still can't work,
fast
man.
and quick, you know.
Alright. Big up
Alright.
and stay safe, you know, bro. Take care of the
Same
family.
thing too, you know, and just watching a step here.
Alright, family.
I watch a video where a man, alligator attack a man, you know. So then water will bring them something there, so we have
Yes.
to be careful.
I see him like how we are trying to stay safe, them are trying to stay safe too.
Same way, so. Yeah, man. I watch something.
Blessings, family.
Peace out.
Cool.
Bless.